Welcome to our channel, where we equip aspiring entrepreneurs with the knowledge and tools they need to thrive in today's competitive landscape. In this video, we'll unravel the art and science of conducting market research. How to conduct market research. Market research is the compass that guides strategic decision-making for entrepreneurs. Let's explore a step-by-step approach to conducting market research effectively. First, define your objectives and questions. Before diving into market research, clarify your objectives and questions. What insights are you seeking? What do you hope to learn about your target market, competitors, and industry trends? By defining clear objectives, you can focus your research efforts and extract actionable insights. Second, understand your target market. The foundation of market research lies in understanding your target market. Who are your ideal customers? What are their demographics, preferences, and purchasing behaviors? Dive deep into consumer insights to uncover valuable data points that inform your business strategy. Third, analyze industry trends. Keep a pulse on industry trends and market dynamics that may impact your business. Monitor changes in consumer behavior, technological advancements, and regulatory developments that could shape the competitive landscape. By staying informed, you can anticipate shifts and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Fourth, assess competitor strategies. Analyze your competitors to gain insights into their strengths, weaknesses, and market positioning. What are their key differentiators? How do they attract and retain customers? Identify gaps in the market and areas for differentiation that allow you to carve out your niche and stand out from the competition. Fifth, choose research methods. Select research methods that align with your objectives and budget. Primary research involves gathering first-hand data through surveys, interviews, and focus groups. Secondary research relies on existing sources such as industry reports, market studies, and competitor analysis. Sixth, collect and analyze data. Collect data systematically and analyze it rigorously to uncover meaningful patterns and trends. Use statistical analysis, data visualization, and qualitative interpretation techniques to derive actionable insights from your research findings. Seventh, iterate and refine your approach. Market research is an iterative process that evolves alongside your business. Continuously gather feedback, test hypotheses, and refine your approach based on insights gained from your research. Be agile and adaptable in responding to changing market conditions and consumer preferences. Final thoughts. Conducting market research is an essential step in building a successful business. By understanding your target market, analyzing industry trends, and assessing competitor strategies, you can make informed decisions that drive growth and innovation.